Hello everyone, this is Munam and we are back with exclusive demo video on premium features of WooCommerce Wallet System plugin. So in the previous demo video, I have explained you how you can easily set up the front end and the back end setting of Wallet System for WooCommerce free plugin. So we have added the part 1 in the suggestion card and added the link for part 1 in the description content. So you can watch the part 1 by clicking on any of the two options. So before starting with the demo video, let's see what are the premium features that are included in this WooCommerce Wallet System plugin. So these are the premium features which are included in WooCommerce Wallet System plugin. So in this demo video, I will explain you about all these premium features. We are on the WordPress dashboard, and after you have installed the plugin, you have to move to your WordPress dashboard and click on Wallet System. So as you can see, these are the tabs that are available in the backend settings of Wallet System. So firstly, I am going to explain you about the activating the license. So as you click on activate license, so here in the license activation panel, so after you have purchased the extension from the Make Web Better website, so you will be getting an license key that you have to enter in this box, and after that you have to click on activate license and then your license will be activated. So this was all about the license activation. Now let's move to general settings. So we are on the general settings. So from here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable the wallet system functionality. So the admin can also enable the features like wallet recharge, refund to wallet, and send email on wallet amount update to customers. So in the part 1 I have explained you each and every settings in detail, so you can check out the part 1 for better understanding of the plugin. So we have mentioned the video link in the description content and added the video in the suggestion card, so you can check out the video. So in the premium plugin, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant will get the benefit of setting up the minimum and maximum recharge amount limit for the customers and can also send a massive disclaimer for the customers. So basically, what is minimum wallet recharge amount and maximum recharge wallet amount means? That means if I have entered like 50 and here I have entered $2,000. So the customer, for recharging the minimum amount has to be 50. So if the amount less than 50, like the customer has entered like 40 to recharge the wallet amount, so the wallet will not be recharged because the amount is less than 50. Or same goes for the maximum wallet recharge amount. Like if I have selected 2000, so beyond that, if the customer selects like for recharging like $3,000, so he will not be able to recharge the wallet amount because the maximum wallet recharge amount has been limited to $2,000. So by deciding the maximum and minimum recharge limit will help the admin or the WooCommerce merchant to set a range for recharging the wallet according to the business requirements and customer needs. And we have also added a message disclaimer which can be customized according to the WooCommerce merchant that he wants to show to the customer if in case the admin or the WooCommerce merchant wants to give a information like if the admin wants to like write a message like if I have written like please send your bank details, so this message will be displayed at the time of withdrawal request. So this means while making a withdrawal request, the customer has to fill up the bank details. So this is how we have added the premium features that can enhance the user experience and as well as increase the customer engagement. So after doing all the settings, you have to click on save settings. So now let's move to the next premium feature that is available in wallet transaction. So we are on the wallet transactions tab. So according to the business requirements of WooCommerce merchants, if he wants to extract a particular list, so we have added a feature to export the transaction list in an Excel or CSV file. So the admin or the WooCommerce merchants can simply click on any of the two options and can extract the transaction list in the required format. So it will reduce the manual creation of list and will also save time in extracting and saving the data. So let's move to the front end and see what are more features that are included in this WooCommerce Wallet System plugin. So we are on the shop page, and as you can see, we have also added a feature of wallet balance widget to help the customer to see the wallet balance in the sidebar section. So basically it will help the customer to see the wallet balance right from the sidebar instead of checking it from the wallet tab again and again. So let's go to the back end and see how you can set this wallet widget from the widgets menu. So let's go to the back end. So we are on the widgets tab. So as you can see, for adding a wallet balance widget, simply you have to scroll down, and this is the wallet widget. So simply you have to drag and drop this in the sidebar tab. So as you can see, I have added this wallet widget, and here you can also customize the title, like if you want to write another title, like if you want to like write only your wallet balance and like this. So this will be shown on the wallet balance widget, like your wallet balance and the amount that will be in the customer's wallet, that will be shown, and you have to click on save. So now the title has been finalized and the wallet balance widget has been placed in the sidebar. So if you want to see the live preview, so simply you can click on this manage with live preview, and you will have to click on shop. So as you can see, this is the wallet balance widget. Here you can see what the text we have decided as your wallet balance is coming here, and it's showing the amount that a customer wallet is having. So if you want to customize, simply you can also click it from here, and you can customize the text, like your wallet balance is like this, and you have to click on done. So as you can see, the text has been customized from here. So we have provided this option, so you can simply see the live preview of what widget you are adding and how your text will be appearing on the shop page, and you have to click on publish. So this is how you can easily add a widget and manage with live preview. So now I have explained you about this wallet balance widget. Now let's move to shop page and see some more features of this WooCommerce wallet system. So the next feature is wallet QR code. So let's go to my account and click on wallet. So to enhance the WooCommerce store experience, we have added a wallet QR code for the customer. So it will help the customer to scan the QR code of other users and recharge or transfer money into their wallets. So they just have to click on copy QR code button and copy the QR code to share it. But for the QR code, the wallet users can use the generated QR code to recharge their wallets, but they can't transfer money to themselves. That means they can use this QR code to recharge the wallet, but they cannot transfer money to their wallets by using this QR code. So we have provided this feature so that it can help the customers or users to send the money or the transfer money to other users by using the QR code. So it will save the time of the customers. So let's go to the next feature, that is send invitation to user. So let's click on wallet transfer. So as you can see here, you have to write the email ID for whom you want to transfer the wallet amount. And here you have to enter the amount, and you can write the reason why are you transferring this amount. And let's click on proceed. So as you can see, the disclaimer has come, email ID does not exist, invite him or her to get the wallet amount. So this disclaimer is coming because the email ID that you have entered is not registered in this wallet system. So we have provided this premium feature so that the customer will get the feature to invite their family, friends to join the system. So it will definitely improve the customer experience of the store, and ultimately it will lead to the increase in customer engagement. So here you have to click on this. So you can write the name, like to whom you are inviting, and you can write the message so that why he can join this wallet system. And you can send invitation. So this is how the customers can easily send an invitation links to friends and family members to join the wallet system. So now let's click on wallet withdrawal request. So as you can see, the note is coming as please send your bank details. So this is coming because we have written this text in the field of message to customers in the backend when I was explaining you in the general settings. So because of that field, the customers can be notified whatever the admin or the WooCommerce merchants wants to convey the information. Like here I have written the note as please send your bank details. So that is coming on the front end. So that means whenever making a wallet withdrawal request, so while filing the amount, like if the customer has written 100, so here the customer has to send the bank details so that the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can transfer this wallet withdrawal amount to that particular bank account. So this is how the message to customer feature works on the front end. Now let's click on add balance. So now let's check the functionality of maximum and minimum wallet recharge amount. So let's enter the amount as 40 and click on proceed. So as you can see that the message has come, recharge amount should be greater than or equal to 50. So this is because in the backend settings, we have set the minimum wallet recharge amount as 50. So now let's enter again 60 and click on proceed. So as you can see that the request for recharging the wallet has been proceeded because we have set the maximum and minimum limit as 50 and $2,000. So the any request made between this amount will be accepted and the customer can recharge the wallet amount. So let's click on proceed to checkout and place order. So as you can see, the order has been placed and the wallet has been recharged for $60. So this is how the admin can set the maximum and minimum wallet recharge amount according to the business requirements. So this was all about the demo video on WooCommerce wallet system premium features. So if you have any doubts regarding the plugin functionality, you can mention in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. So till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.